For today's video, we will be making crispy, cheesy Lumpiang Shanghai. For our ingredients, we will need ground pork, salt, black pepper, egg, carrots, onions, and cheese. Then just mix all your ingredients well. Now, wrap your meat filling in a lumpia wrapper. Seal your wrapper with a cornstarch and water mixture. Cut the excess wrapper on the sides and cut or divide each lumpia into 3 bite-sized pieces. Deep fry your Lumpiangshanghai in hot cooking oil. Once cooked, drain them in a wire rack or a strainer. Mekeni, manganta na po!